You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? German name pronunciation. German physiologist. More names from the history of science. Stay tuned. German pronunciation. Wilhelm Kühne, Wilhelm Kühne. In English, Wilhelm or Willem, some may say, Kühne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.